Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Pro. So in this video I will do the unboxing of the old JioPhone. So here are some Jio services, my Jio account, Jio TV and etc. So let's unbox it and see what are its box contents. Here is written that watch on TV simply by connecting the Jio media cable. So let's start unboxing. So let's first cover the plastic. Here is the seal of Jio. So here is written watch on TV simply by connecting the Jio media cable, and there is written you have to buy it externally. It does not come with a box. I thought it comes with a box. So the Jio services are here. You can see. Sorry guys for a blurry video. So let's open it. This is the JioPhone, and here's the battery and the charger. You can see me. Then here are some manuals, user guides, Jio keypad guide for Indian languages. Here you will get all languages: Hindi, Bengali, Assamese. Then comes nothing more. The radio is here wireless. You do not want a headphone for that, for a radio. So let's insert the battery. And here's the memory card slot, and the SIM is inserted. You can open the memory card slot like this. It's very simple. The phone is powered by JioOS and LYF. So I'm on the phone. Here is written Jio powered by JioOS. Sorry guys. Here's the branding of Jio at the front. Here you will not provide a data cable. It's totally connected to the charger. It's not removable as we get in our phones. As it in LYF. Then this is the phone. It's take time to on, like our smartphones. Then at phone, this is a date, time, etc. Then this is a notification panel. You can open the notification panel in the up button. That's here. Just click it. The notification panel come out. So this is a calculator. You can see some shortcuts here: camera, calculator, torch. So I had opened the camera. The camera quality is quite good. So you can click selfies also with this phone. Sorry guys for blurry video. It's not so bad. It's good. So here you can change the camera option by clicking the options. So I had selected the front camera. So you can see me now with the camera and the fan. So it's quite nice. So Let's see what are the apps. First come the Jio Chat, Jio Express, etc. Jio TV, Jio NM app, Jio TV, Facebook. Then some apps, Inguru, then News 18, Google Maps, Food, where you can see your serials. Oh my god, here's WhatsApp also. So here's a WhatsApp app. App Store provided a good by giving the WhatsApp, then Google Maps also. So no network connection. I have opened Google Maps. Google Maps. Here are quite good apps for Android. So this much has shown in the video. So thank you guys for watching my video. Nothing more to see here. Please like, if you're new channel, to subscribe and comment below. Jai Hind, Namaste.